Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza pie soup. Easy and basic and absolutely delicious. So let's get started. We're going to start with 2 14.5 ounces of stewed tomatoes. Put that right in there. Then we're going to put a 32-ounce beef broth. That all in there. This is so easy. Chop all this up. Okay, so next is I'm going to put pepperoni. The description will be in my description. Mix that all up in there. A small onion. Mix that all up. I'm going to bring all this to a boil and let it probably simmer for a good 15 minutes. A red pepper. Okay. Now pepperoni, it was sliced pepperoni, but I put it in my food chopper and chopped it up into smaller pieces because I thought it'd be better that way. And smaller pieces taste more like maybe that you were eating pizza. Okay, so I left this simmer for about 20 minutes. And so now I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to put some oregano. You can put as much as you want. I'm going to suggest in my description the amount you can put in, but you can put what you want. It's optional since some people might not like oregano. You can substitute basil, whatever flavors you love. And I'm going to add some garlic salt. It should taste exactly like a pizza. It has tomatoes and onions, pepperonis. And now I'm going to put cheese ravioli in the soup. So I'm going to cook this until the ravioli is done, maybe about 5 minutes. Has to reach boil again. Okay, this is done. Let's dish it up into a bowl. Looking delicious. Soup's looking absolutely delicious. And so then we're going to sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. Okay. So now I said that you could put this under the broiler, or you could just let it melt on its own, the cheese. I'm just letting it melt on its own. So let's give it a taste, a try. Mmm. Mmm. That is really good. Flavor of the broth is excellent. Mmm. I do like raviolis though. I could eat the whole bag myself, but the broth and cheese and everything is delicious. Easy to make. How long did it take me? It didn't take me that long. Half an hour at the most, all thrown together. Easy to make. So come back and see me again and try the soup. It's delicious. Thanks.